I refer to myself as a GI psychologist. That really is my focus, and I have a unique understanding of the psychosocial components of chronic GI conditions. There are only a handful of health psychologists around the country that are specializing in this area, and Loyola is really unique in that we were able to offer this service as one component of our digestive health program. It's been a pleasure to work with Mrs. Kopecky. She's had a long history of irritable bowel syndrome, causing really uncomfortable digestive symptoms.
I was really afraid to even go out sometimes. My belly was hurting me so bad that I'm like, well, what if this happens? I can't go on vacation because I'll be in the hotel room sick the whole time.
And she had tried many different approaches to get her symptoms under control and really hadn't been able to find any lasting relief. And so we took a different approach to helping address her IBS by using gut-directed hypnosis.
And that relaxation flows into your stomach, even deep within your gut. Your stomach and intestines can feel so relaxed.
This involves a deep level of relaxation and focused mental attention, and then utilizes guided imagery and suggestions specifically targeting gut sensitivity and stress sensitivity in the body. And so this is a technique that I utilize with patients in the session and then help them to learn on their own as a strategy they can implement to manage their symptoms long term.
And after meeting with her and going through some hypnosises and practicing the hypnosises she gave me, I felt 100% better.
One of the reasons I really love what I do and I'm very passionate about it is because approaching IBS from a behavioral standpoint seems to be very effective, especially for patients that have failed other approaches. And the reason is that these behavioral treatments can target brain-gut communication. And a lot of the latest research coming out indicates that it's this miscommunication between the brain and the gut that's really contributing to hypersensitivity and these chronic uncomfortable symptoms.
Stress level affects IBS, and I think that's the number one reason why the hypnotherapy really works, because it is like meditation. I'll notice when there's more chaos going on in my life, that's when I turn to it more.
And she really had very impressive results. She still does have intermittent symptoms, but they're much less severe. The flare-ups are much less frequent. And I think overall she just feels more able to control and manage the symptoms than she really ever has before in her life.